All right, this is a video on how to use ReportForge AI report generator that I have created. This is a tool that I have created. Basically, what you want, there's two way to upload your data here, either by bulk upload with a CSV file or an Excel file, and then there's also a manual entry you can add by hand your person that you need to send a email or a report. So for now, we're going to use bulk upload. So I'm going to use a spreadsheet that I have created, some simple sample students spreadsheet with attendance and grades on it, and depending on the behavior and the teacher's notes. Okay, so we're going to generate a report based on this data that we have here, this data that we have here. We can set up a language depending on the country or the student that you're sending. These are all the languages that you can set up this report or email. Uh, Once you are in this area right here, you're gonna describe your report, right? So the language, and then what kind of business uh, you're running, right? Depending on what kind of business you are. I'm gonna use education because we are setting up on grades and attendance, and we got the student name. All right. Also, you can delete if you don't want one of these students to show. You can just click here and delete it. All right. And then once you are set up the report, then you build your template. Be in mind that you can also upload your report in here. If you have already one that you want to use, you can just drag it and drop it in here, or you can just create your report here too. All right, but for now, we're going to use our generator. So once you are hitting the right button, then you just build template. This is going to be your template. It's going to put the school, all the information that you put in this spreadsheet. It's going to be there. Once you once you're here, then you click here to use this template. You can be in mind that you can also add in here if you don't want to have that word that you can just just click it, or you can manage your report right here as well. You can make it bigger so you can see more of it in here. All right, if you don't like it, you can regenerate as well. And all right, but let's use this one right here. Be in mind also that I added a like a chart in here that you can include on your report. And there's a button right here that you can include it or not include it, and then it's gonna show, but on your PDF, not on your preview. I put a an explanation here. All right, and you can add it to all reports. So once you're here, you set up your report settings. You want to do it by student name. You put your report title, then the organizational name. You can also use your own logo. You can drag it and drop it here, and you can centralize it, put it on the right side or on the left side. You want to do the writing tone depending on who you send this email or which group of persons or students you're sending. And you can also add a tone to it at the end right here. And if you're looking for a certain kind of grade or student that, depending on you want on what you're looking for, you can flag it. You can flag mode the students if you're looking for like students more than 80%, for example, or depending on the attendance, you can also do that. Then you generate the report. Remember, I deleted one, so that's why you see 14. Then this will put all the information that you put on your spreadsheet, right at the top. It's gonna put it in the report. So the name, all the information that you put it there, the system is smart enough to uh, include even the behavior in the report. Well, also you can send this report by email. You can delete it. You can save it on your computer and print it. You can copy the word, and if you have your own setup, your own report, you can just copy this and use it for later on in future. You can email this to everybody, or you can clear the whole thing, and if you forgot to flag anybody, you just clear that and then put the flag here, and then so let's see what happens if you put plus, I don't know, a 50. See if it's gonna flag all students that have more than 50. So yeah, we're gonna clear this and we're gonna redo it. And see, there you go. So yeah, flag attendance. She's flagging attendance for more than 50. All right. So yeah, and then the good thing about this is that you don't have to save anything. You just clear. It doesn't save anything. It's not a data collector or anything. You just cleared it. You just clear it by clicking in here, refresh. Everything is gonna be gone. Nothing is safe, and you're back in business. That's it. There you go. And then you start over again. So my next video will be uh, how to do a manual entry. And stick around. It's gonna be interesting. Thank you for listening.